Hey everyone, this is Daniel from HRD 646 and thanks for joining me in this video series, How to Create a LinkedIn Profile. Previously, I presented the benefits of creating a LinkedIn account. This video will walk you through the different components of a LinkedIn profile and add some tips to optimize the information that you provide. In order to edit your LinkedIn profile from the home page, hover over the Profile tab at the top of the page and click on the Edit Profile link. This takes you to the edit page, which allows you to add, change, or remove any information by clicking on the pen symbols at each section. Let's start with your name. Provide your full name to differentiate yourself from others as much as possible. I wrote my first, middle, and last name because it's less likely that someone shares my middle name in combination with my first and last name. Keep in mind that this is a professional social media website, and it's important to represent yourself as such. Although your friends and possibly even coworkers may call you by your nickname, don't include it on LinkedIn. You're also able to disclose any former names. This is useful for anyone who has legally changed their name for any reason. This section grants you a third option to select who your name is visible to. Once you're done with this, click Save and move on to the Headlines section. The headline is your opportunity to grab the audience's attention within 120 characters. If you've successfully created a post on Twitter, then you are one step closer to putting together a headline for your LinkedIn profile. In essence, you want to input keywords and be specific. Avoid using general statements like hard worker, persistent, or dedicated. Place yourself in the recruiter's shoes and think, if I were looking for a candidate, what keywords would I search for? Once you've answered this question, you will be able to compose a quality headline. And if you have no clue as to what to put in this section, feel free to check out the examples provided below. You can click on either link to show examples or see what others in your industry are using. Once you're satisfied with the information you provided here, click Save and move on to the next section for the location. For location, select the city, state, country, and postal code of where you currently reside. This criterion assists recruiters when considering candidates. The location edit box includes the industry section towards the bottom. The industry drop-down box displays an inclusive list of available options to choose from, including fine art, judiciary, logistics and supply chain, and even political organizations. Once you've selected your information, click Save and move on to the contact information. Make sure to add your contact information in order for employers to connect with you. The more information you provide, the easier it is to stay in touch with other users. You have the option of providing your email address, phone number, IM, and home address, along with a Twitter, WeChat, and other websites. That's all the time we have for now. The next video will continue with the photo, public profile URL, and summary sections. Thanks for joining me once again. This is Daniel from HRD 646, reminding you to seize the moment and enjoy.